Okay, we're outside today, and we thought we better clean out a bunch of old firecrackers and bottle rockets and fountains and lots of stuff we had just sitting in the garage.
The bottle rocket.
So thought we'd just kind of dispose of this stuff. So
you're gonna blow towards the house.
We have Jared. Jared's gonna like the string of firecrackers, and we're gonna hope that
it won't be enough.
Going into the box will set off the whole works. Get back further. And that's about it.